Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this laundry sorter. Now this is going to be really nice because I've got family every single day I'm doing laundry. So to have something that can sort it out into 3 separate bins is going to be great. It came packaged really nicely, and you have a good instruction guide to be able to put this together. So let's get to work and get this thing put together. Then we will try it out. They do have 3 separate lids that are all color coded. So whether you're using your whites, your darks, whatever you're wanting to do in there, or if you just want to separate it by kids, like I've got 3 kids, so each kid gets a color, they can throw their dirty laundry in there, I can put it back in. It just really makes for a good system to be able to do your laundry. Now they are all like Oxford bags, so whenever you do put them in there, you can easily grab the bag out and take it with you. So they actually are labeled, which is nice. Then let's get these all together. Each one of the bags is nice and labeled, and you have all of your tools are included. So now I've got my top pieces all together. You got your bottom pieces, and then your side pieces will go up and arch around. So from there, all we've got to do is take our K, our D, and our E, and we will piece these all together. So these all just snap in really nice. And then we're going to use our parts and put it all together, and then we'll check it out. So I've got this side all done. You just pretty much make the side of the frame. And then to do that, all you've got to do is you take your U shape that you've already done, you grab this piece here, and then you start using the screws from the side. You put the screw in, and then you put your bar in, and you turn that in. Once you have that on, then we're just going to put the wheels on the bottom. All right, so I've got the wheels all on. It does have 2 locking wheels that I'm going to put in the front. And now we just add the top bars, and then I will add the bottom as well, and we will get the baskets hung on here. So now we've got it all put together. The last step is just adding the little bars in to the individual little baskets here. And you just put that in with this little arrow or hook part up, so that way you have a nice little handle when you're wanting to use these. They just slide right in on both sides, and then you hook it over the top like I've done with this one. Now let's go take it out to the laundry room and give it a try. So now I've got this all completed. This is nice wheels. You can have them move around whichever way you want. And with them being locking, if you needed to lock it, you can easily do that. The nice lids will cover up any laundry that you've got stored in there. Or if you don't want the lids on there, you can just simply pull them back and they're out of the way. Pick these up, move them around. I love how you can just take those with you. Then when you're doing your laundry, you can easily do your sorting, whether you're doing your darks, your lights, your colors, everything just fits in there really nicely. Store it, have it off to the side, and do your laundry whenever you're ready. This is a nice laundry cart to have for any laundry organizing.